Okay, so today we will learn uh, how to make a word file. That is the word file. This is my word file. This is so we are. It has around 24, 25 or whatever number it is. It can be. There is no problem. But we have around 24 pages, and what we want to do. But it has a single word page format. But I want that every page should be converted into PDF and then save into the one folder, and then I will explore that folder. So that is my plan. So I need to loop through all the pages in the Word file. Then I have to save one Word page at a time to the folder. Okay, so that is my plan, and for that we will create a coding. Okay, so, but before that, I would like to tell you that this Word file has been created by the mail merge. It is also created by the VBA coding. If you want it, then you can go through that YouTube channel also. That is YouTube. I have already created a YouTube on mail merge, which can generate letters, lot of letters, at whatever the number of rows is there present in Excel. It will create an Word file. Okay, so that YouTube is also available. You has to come through. You have to go through that YouTube first, then come on this YouTube. So first of all, I would like to close this. So this is the functionality that I have to run. So when I click on this button, I have to pop up a browser that select the Word file. I have selected that Word file. It automatically created a PDF folder here, and all the PDF file has been saved in this folder one by one. Look at this. Okay, when it is completed to the page number 24, it will automatically escalate that folder, right? 28, 29. This is my own made. The screen recorder is also, this YouTube is also present in the its recording quality is absolutely superb. Okay, so this is 23, 24. I just close this folder. My VBA code is also still running, and once it is completed, it will explore the folder that contain all the PDF files. So now it is completed, and automatically explore the folders, and every page have a PDF files. Right, look at this, letters, individual letters. Okay, so basically I did save individual letters in a individual PDF files and save all folder in a single folder. That's it. That is the only thing that I have created. And now this is okay. So all the data is available in this folder is totally dummy. Now now this is my utility. So I just close this utility. So I just started from the beginning. So first of all, I will open the new Excel Word file and save it as a XLSB binary. I just want to save it as a binary on a desktop. So this is PDF generator. The usefulness of this binary is that the size of the file is very low. Along with it contains a macro. It is also available, also enabled to run the macro in it. So it is very useful. So first of all, I will start from the beginning. Just hold on, and so first of all, I have to so now you have to click. We have saved it. So there is a developer tool. If this developer tool tab is not available, then you go to the file and go to these options. Option there you will get the customized ribbon is also there. Then you will have to select this option and then press OK. Also, you can create a new tab also from this place. Once you click, there is a one place you can rename it. Okay, and paste an icon also. Then I will tell you how to use it. First, right now I don't need it, so I just click on this. Now first of all I have to go to Visual Basic for application. Just click on this little icon and you started macro. But this is a started recording. I don't want a recording. I just want to create a VBA code my own self. So I don't want any recordings. So either you can write a macro code in the sheet directly. It is a sheet code. It is a code name and it is a sheet name. It is the first name is code name and the second one is a sheet name. Okay, so just double click on this. I'm just doing it right now. So I'm not searching for the codes. So okay, now so let's start with first of all I'm using the early binding codes. Early binding. Okay, what means of early binding? In the early binding we have to use all the references first. It's in place of create object and all things. Okay, early binding is very helpful because it will give me a pop-up when you click. Just write a function, it will give me a pop-up by pressing a control shift like this one. When you press control shift, it will give you all the classes and available functions in the VBA code and you can use it. So I just add the references first, number one, because I'm dealing with the all letters and document files, so I have to attach reference library with Word object library with Excel. In this Excel, okay, I need to add the Word 16 Word dash 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 object library, or dash 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 means you can the number can be changed according to MS Office version. So object library you need to add with this macro code, number one. Number two, now you are free to start macro code. So first of all, write subroutine PDF, right? And PDF is also available. Now, when you write a code, you have to stop all the screen updating so that the control Z cannot be used. So first of all, application, press control shift, it will give me option screen updating, then false. It will very helpful now. Application, then display alerts should be false, and application dot calculations, this one should be manual, number one. Now I need to declare few memories in it one by one. So first of all, I need to open a Word applications. Look at this Word application, right? So I have to declare a memory, then declaring memory as a Word, as a new Word dot application. That means this word is denote the Word application. Okay, this one. So when I click on this, it will opening. It will not open that file. It will opening a simply Word application. That's all. So Now I need to open this Word application first, or secondly I have to create a WB as a Word document, right? I'm telling this WB is a Word document. I'm not declaring this Word document. I'm just telling it is any type of Word document. WB is any type of Word document. That's it. But I'm not telling this WB is this Word document. I'm not telling this. I will tell you it like this way. Okay, this WB, okay. But before that, uh, I have to ask a user to select the Word file first. Okay, so I will just I will ask a user to select a file. That means file as a string. Okay, the file name is fname as again a string, or you can write like this one. You can declare there is a fname. Then I will declare it later on. So first of all, I will declare the file and file name. It is a both are string. That is a file. This is the file, and the name of this file is all letter talks is a string. Okay, so I declare it. Now I will open the file first. So for that I have to create a file is equals to application dot get open file name. So I just want to have where to this file name. So filter, you just keep it blank again, or you can just keep it like this way. We don't need, and we want a title. Then we will write choose your Word document file. Save it. Then no need of buttons and multi-selection. Leave it. I don't want this multi-selection. So just close it here. Okay. So this will open a browser, right? So that I can select this one. So when you just click on debug, press Ctrl plus Shift, then you will just debug it. Press F5 and you will select what file, and you will check debug. Debug is this one. I have selected this file, so it will give me an entire path of that particular file. So press F5 again and select F5, and you will see it give me an entire path of that file which I have selected. Okay, so I don't want entire path. I want the name of that particular part because I have saved the name of that particular part, file name. So just fname is equals to press VBA dot dir function, then file. It will give me the name of that file. So look at this fname. Press F5. Get, okay. You will get the name of that particular file. Right? So press F5 again. Select the file. You will get the path of that particular file and the name of that particular files. Okay. So now you have now the name of the file. Now I have to check whether the name of this file is having some whether this file is exist or not exist, or I have choose any file or not. Because when I choose any file, any Word file, then I have the file name, right? But if I not choose any file, I will cancel, then I will not have any fname, right? So for that I have to create a dim so that it will give me an integer of that file. So then the name of the file is the length as a integer. What does it mean? It means that I have in the length for VBA dot length of f name. That means it gives me a length of this LENGTH press F5, select the file, and I will get the path of that file, and the name of that, and the 20 characters is long. So I got this. Alright, I got that this name is of this word file have a 20 characters. That means I have selected at least one word file, right? So first of all, then I just want to check I have selected or not selected. So if LENGTH length is greater than 0, then okay, press, and if you are selecting, you will get this. That means you have selected a one file. Okay, now I got that you have selected a one file at least. So I need to open this word word application. I just make it visual, right? Visualize. So I just click on this. What does it mean? It means that I am just opening this word. I'm opening the word application, right? Press this one, select, okay. So there is nothing, but it will give me a word application like this one. Give me a word application, right? Have you seen? Right? So again, close this word application. So now I open the word application. I need to set this document is particularly denoted to this letter. So first of all, I need to set WB is equals to word dot documents dot open. That means the file name. The file name is this file, entire name of that particular file. Now my this word file will be open. Look at this. When I click on this, it will open the particular word file. Look at this. It will open the application first, and then it will open all the word files here. Right now I got the file is open. Right, my file is open now. So what if file is open? I need to go through one by one page. So I have to count the pages. The pages is there or not a single page is there. So let's have the example of that particular. So before that, I have to declare a memory like dim page PDF. Okay, it is an integer. So now I have to select PDF underscore page equals to WB. WB means this word file. Now I have set that the word application in which the documents in which the open file name is this one. I am opening this file. This file is denoted to this file. That means WB is denoting to this file only. So WB. Then commute statics. Okay. Then the number of pages. What means of commute statics? All the statics pertaining to the word file. That I want the number of pages. So I select this one only. Right. So remove it. Let's page, number of page, also add this, and length already selected, PDF pages already selected. WB, if you want you can check WB also. Okay, now WB, I selected this one, and it will opening the Word application. Now opening the Word document and give me the debug. So this is F name, file name, this one which I selected. The name of that particular file is this one, F name, this one. The length of this Word file is 20, Word name is 20, that means this one. The what means of number of pages is there, that is WB. WB is this particular file, that means again it give me the same thing. Then PDF page, there is a 24 pages in this particular file, so that means it is okay, right? So I need to look through every page and save it one by one as a PDF, right? So I have made a loop here. So I got the PDF pages is there. Then I will start it again. If statement PDF underscore pages is greater than 0, then and if, right? So this is another one. This one. I'm making the Word application as a true, visibility is true, because I need to show that Word applications. In the final stage, I will make this to false, so that I don't need to open Word application again and again. It will time-consuming process. Okay. So now I have to page. I got the pages. So there should be a loop, so that I can, if there is a page. If there is a page more than 0, that means this loop has to be run, right? Then I have started the loop from first page number to PDF page number, that is 24, 29 and whatever that. 2, not then. Then next, now I need to look through all the pages. So this document is not by WB, so make it WB, export fixed format, and but before that I need to export that particular file to a particular place. I need to format, and when you click on this, you got the output file name. So you just write like output file name, output file name, and everything is in the name one. So I'm just saving it on the desktop. So for that I need to make some environmental variables like this one, user profile, PROFILE profile. What does it mean? It means it gives me press Ctrl Z. When you question mark press it, this one. So it gives me a C user and Lenovo. So that means it is my username. So every computer and desktop have a different name. So I have to make it dynamic path to the desktop, right? So for this desktop, and the I don't have any folder, so I just created one folder. That's quit. So let's this quit. Okay, then file name of that is letter this is I. Okay, now I need to save this file as a PDF, then question mark dot PDF. Okay, now comma, the range, we have a range in this format. We have a range as a Word export all document, but I want individual page. Range question, yes, I want a current page. I need only to save at current page, one by one current page I need to save. Then export, there is an export format as a Word format or PDF format, the export format. So export format as a PDF. That's all. So it will save all the pages on my desktop quit folder. Do you want to see? Then you can see it will save the entire file as a letter. Now you can choose. Once it is saved all the files, you need to close Word document first. So just wb.close the Word file by save changes about this one. So you have to write wd do not save changes. That's all. Okay, and finally when you close, I need to close this Word application too. Close this one. Look at this. Just close, select, and it will start big file. But the error is that because I have looping one by one, so I did not make it go to the next page in my loop. So it will give me a throw the error, but it will save I think one page or not. No, any page is saved. So first of all, I think we go to make it wb dot application dot browser dot next. Then I have to delay this macro code for the 2 seconds. Wait this one. So wait now plus time value. Okay. Wait this 00 second. No, sorry, 00 hours, 00 minutes, and 02 seconds. I need to wait. This has to wait. This application has to wait for this, right? So, and in final stage, I need to reset again all the things. Look at this. Make it two, press control, enter, press control, and control space, and you will save it. So let's check this again. The Word file is there. Auto run inspector error is there. Okay, that means I have made some mistake in this output file. Environmental, I got the environmental things. Then desktop spelling is mistake. Desktop spelling mistake. Okay, it's done. What does it mean? It will give me an entire path of that particular folder. Look at this. Press Ctrl G, enter variable, enter. It give me this one. This is coming from this part. Desktop is coming from desktop. Weight is weight, letter is letter, and I. And is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then save it as a PDF file. Right. So that is what we need. Go save. This is Word file. Macro will be open that Word file. Again error. So that means I have made some mistakes. Okay. Let me check. So now just go to the script shot we have mentioned the quid. The name of the folder is quid, but this is not the quid. It has an entire folder kwit. That means now it is quid. Now go to Word file, select, it will open the Word application, then subsequently Word file, and start exporting it as a PDF file. Sorry. So this is the PDF files from number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all. It's coming up one by one. And finally, get the Word document is automatically closed. Okay. Now I will create this as a dynamic. So the folder quid should not be edited here. It will automatically generate the folder and save it on the PDF file in particular folder that has been created by the VBA file. So now this 24 has been completed, and close it. Okay. So my basic plan is I need to create a folder first, right? So I need to create a folder. I have to set a file name first, obviously folder file name, right? So you have to save it. That is FLD folder name. I need to create this folder by VBA. Then the name of that particular folder path, and folder name. Okay, as a string. Now I have to create a. First of all, I need to check whether I have selected anything. Sorry. If I selected anything, then it will create a folder. So for that, I have to go PDF folder. So that is folder name, FLD or NAME folder name. I need to use the worksheet function for that. Worksheet function is a rand between function. I'm just putting argument 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a 7 characters numbers and 7, 8, 7, 7, 1, 8, 6. And it will give me a random number in between. It will give me a random number in between this and this. If you want, you can check Control G, and it will give me a number. Again, I will select. Again, it will give me a second number, right? So that the folder name cannot be repeated again and again. So there should not be any ambiguities. So let's save it. First of all, concatenation. So save it as a PDF folder name. Look at this. So this is the name. Right? I got the folder name. Where you want to create this folder? I need to create this folder in the desktop of every computer. So that will I will do environment, choose user PROFILE profile, that is this one. And now I have to concatenate desktop. Okay. It will give me this one. I want to create in the database. So I want to create folder path. This folder concatenation is folder. I got the entire folder name. Right, I got the folder name. Now I have to create a folder. So How to use it? VBA dot make directory. The which directory? The folder. Control plus space dot, and that's it. It will create a folder. Right now, I created a folder. That means I need to save it. I just click on this, make it a display, and the file name is just project folder. So that means we need to have save it one by one. Like directory folder path. Okay. If you want to save it into this page, and then you will get this page. So first of all, letter. So that means we get this letter. Folder path. Folder path. Look at this. So I have created a folder path, entire folder. It will be created here. So folder name is there, letter file name is there, everything is there. Then it will open this folder. So I just want to open this folder via shell command. When it is completed, I will use the shell command. So let's have the shell command. Shell space the path name of that particular file. The path name of this file is explorer, explorer dot exe concatenation of this one, again concatenation, the folder, control plus space, folder path name, and open it as a normal focus. Right, I got this and save it. Let's do this. It will create a no, it will not use this folder. It will create automatically a folder here. So once we click on the page not found, what does it mean? Page not found. Okay. Let me check. Press F8. Go one by one. Okay, select it, open it. I got this file name, file is there, length is there. I got this folder name is there. I just make it, oh sorry, desktop, right. Press F8, make a directory over here. Now it will create. Okay, now it's working, I think. You go one by one. automatically download. It's downloading one by one and saving into this folder, right? Look at this. Now, what is it? The object involved in the discontinuation of the client. Okay. What does it means? I have to check discontinuation of this one. Discontinuation of this file should not be here. And I think it should not be here. This one. It should not be here. It should be here. So entire process should be perfectly. I just click on this one. I'll just press Ctrl Z again, so it will not overwrite again and again. Just press it here, and look at this. It will create a new folder. It will create a new folder. Look at this. It has created a new folder. Okay, there is no ambiguities. So just check this. It automatically going down and save this PDF file here, one by one at a time. Okay, you can choose these letters to save as a in place of letter 1, letter 2, 3 and 4. You can choose the any name of this Word file also. It will automatically open the Word folder. Display that is true, everything is okay. Press this one and the end of this file here, just save it. Excuse me. Folder path and VB normal focus. That is perfect, right? Then it is true, double execute, W key is close, save changes, W not save as changes, perfect, now time is okay. Okay, so this is my code which can be used to generate this one. Started. Now look at this. It will create a folder. This is my entire code. Entire VBA code is this one. Right. There is nothing in that. Yes. It will save a PDF file one by one. Open it. We'll open the Word application. Because I have made visibility is false, so the Word file will not be, Word application cannot be seen here. I have made visibility is false. Earlier I have made it true and now it is false. So it will create this one like one by one. then it will open this folder using shell command. Look at this one. When it is completed, the folder will be open automatically, right? And that is what I want. It is okay, perfectly okay. Now, what else we can do with this? Number one, we go to anywhere. You just write a customize this ribbon and go to the tab over here and take a one tab. Just make a rename of this tab is create, yeah, or you can just make it as a PDF. Okay, the group name is just give this name, and name is convert word to PDF. Save it. Okay, and now insert a word, a macro in it. So just go to one macro. There is a PDF sheet 1. This PDF is there. Just go, click, rename, click here to convert word to PDF, and use a happy face. Okay. So you got this PDF. Okay, click here to convert word to PDF, right? This is a clickable button. So number one, we have created. Look at this. Whether it is when it is closed, it is still showing. It is still showing, but it will not work. Okay, it will not work. Look at this. It is working. It is working. Why it is working? Because I've linked that particular file, Excel file, to this function. Okay, it is working. It's saving number one because it is linked with this PDF generated XLSP file. Either even you can use the personal macro also. So it can be used anywhere in the Excel file, Excel application. Right. So let the process have completed first. Process completed. This delete it. Just do this. So this is when I click, this file will be open. Why? Because I had linked this file. I had linked via macro. Okay. So whenever you click on this, the Excel file will automatically open. So what you want? You need to Alt F R give me the list of that particular recently open file, and now just customize. Just enable it back and customize the ribbon. I got this one, right? And there is no personal macro. For that you have to create a personal macro file. So for that you just go to copy, enter, Control R. Okay, and just record anything that you want. Just close this file. Now open another file. and create a macro, recording macro, start recording macro in a personal macro folder, macro 1. Write the name of PDF, okay, and just click on area and close it and stop it. Now you got the personal macro file. When you Alt F11, there is a book 3 which is opened, this one, but here is a personal macro file is also there. Look at this. So I don't want this one, I just have this personal macro. Just go here and close it. Okay, now I have customized this ribbon, then got remove, then new tab, give it this one, PDF, okay, rename word PDF P. Now go to popular and macro tab, personal PDF file, close it. Look at this, okay, make PDF, okay, close it. Now you got this and this. So when you close this Excel, there is no problem. Why it is? Because personal macro file will be stored in the particular Excel start folder. It is there, right? When you close again, it will still come up. It will started in. This is the path of that Excel start folder. What file, whatever the file if you are saved in this particular folder, it will automatically start when the Excel start. Okay, so remember, when you paste any file here in this particular folder at this path, it will automatically started when the Excel will start. Okay, so no need, close it, just do it, close. I don't want to have any open file, just click on, because personal macro is okay. Number one, there is no one mistake I have made, because I have not added a references that I have to have, and I need to save this personal macro file, right? Close it, open again, okay, close it, got it. I did not have any Excel open file, any open Excel file, but it is automatically opened. I don't need to open in a hidden format. So when you click on this debug calculation, calculation is manual, so I just don't want this one. I'm just putting it number 1. Save it. Now again run it. Now it's working, and I'm giving it the name of that folder. It will creating a folder. Now let's start doing the PDF files in it. So by this way, you can use this macro in entire Excel for any file. You do not have any foundation to work only for that particular Excel file. No foundation. Right? When it is completed, you will open the file on the folder also. debug. That's it, automatic. So this part has to be removed first. Cancel. So okay, yesterday we have learned about that file. Sorry, this is not the file. So we have done like this one, and this is the PDF generator. What it will do, it will look through all the pages in the one single file and save it all the pages as a PDF in a single folder. So this is what we have done yesterday. So that is the code, but we have changes a little things in there. I have made this for, I have just cut and paste this code from this place to this place, so that if I just cancel like this one, if I run it and it will open, then I will click on cancel, so it will show me a no file selected, and if there is an this will show, and it is I have added this go to D. D is a label, and I have said exit sir. So that is what we have added yesterday, today. So that is my whole code is this one. So I'm just disable the screen updating, calculation and display alerts. I am declaring all the variables in the memories. Then I have use this get open files to browser the Word file and get the name from the path, and the length that means when you click on this, it will select, you just select this one Word file, and the variable is this one. See, when you click on G and paste it here, so you will get the entire link like this one. So I'm just cutting and pasting here as a comment. Next we have got this, then press F8. So I'm just going here and do F9. It will extract the name of the file from the entire path, from this path. I'm just extracting the file name here by using the VB directory. Then I will calculate the length, right? So when the length is greater than 0, it will run. If the length is not a 0, if the length is not a 0, because length is 20 for that particular file or some number, the length of file name, basically it is okay. So when the length is not a 0, then this will learn. But if the length is 0, that means I have not selected any file. Look at this. Now just going back, press F8, choose, no, I am not choosing anything. Then the file name is false, the name is blank, the length is 0, the press is 0, the length is 0, that means it will not go and run this portion of this code. This portion will not be run, right? This portion will not be run. So it will directly jump to else, then come to the message box, show me the message box, then go to D. D is the label, go to this one and etc. That's all. So that is what we have done yesterday. So that is my entire code. So I'm just showing it. Show to right.
this is my entire code. So once again I am showing you the entire code, right? So what now? But yesterday I'm just closing it. So yesterday we have done some changes, like we have created some tabs and all things, right? We have created some tabs and all things like this one, and we right click on that one and customize the ribbon, right? Customize the ribbon and creating a tab and customize the ribbon, right? That is what we have done yesterday. But today I will let you know how to get the only tab that will run this macro, right? So what I'm doing here, like this one. So this is my video generator file. When it is open, all the tabs has gone up, and the only thing is showing is this one. That's all. And I have mapped this macro file, the entire macro that is I'm showing you here. This macro, I have linked this macro to this file, right? So when you click on this, it will not right now because I have disabled it, but it will. I will tell you how to link this macro to this place. It is not a customize the ribbon because customize ribbon is disabled. I have disabled the customize ribbon for this file right now. So how will you do this? I will tell you. Okay, so first of all, you need to close this function. Then just go to you have to download a one folder. So that's first, and you have to download a one folder. The name is Excel Customize Ribbon, and I am just telling you the customized ribbon software is this one. So this is my customized ribbon. You have to install. You can download it custom UI editor. You can download it from custom UI editor from this. So you can download the custom UI editor. Download. So it will this one. So you can download directly from this place. This is the zip file. Just click on that thing and you will download the customized ribbon from here. Okay. You cannot use the notepad for doing this job. You can use you can click on this and this has been downloaded. Right. So this is the URL. This is the URL. So I'm just copying and pasting here for the future reference, and I will close it back. Okay. Then now when you next and installed on your PC, and just close it. So this is the customized ribbon. So you can just double click on this. It will give you a UI editor. This is the UI editor. So you need to open that particular file from this. Okay, this PDF file. Just select all files here and just click on your file. So you will get a schema. But when you open first time, this will show like this. There should not be any schema in this folder. So when you save it and now open it, all the things has been gone, and it will show you all the normal like others Excel file. It will show you a normal view in Excel like other files. So just let it be open. for a few seconds. So you will get all the tabs and everything. It is a normal Excel file. It is behaved like a normal Excel file. So just close it, and when you open it, it will show like this way. But you need to add some schema in this particular file. So you just insert. First, go to like this way, office time. So just put it here, then just insert XML file and just put a custom tab. Okay. See, if you don't have any knowledge about the XML files, then it is okay. But I tell you one more thing. This will show show and hide all the tabs on the menu. So if it is a false, if you make it true, true. Okay. First of all, I will tell you one more thing. Let it be false. Right. It is sorry. So you just check it. It is okay, well found, and you need to save it. Let it. And now open this XML file. There should be a tab. There should be a tab like a custom tab over here, right? So I'm just closing back. Then I'm just labeling it PDF generator, and I'm making all the tabs hidden. True. Then I will create a group, and the group will be my name. Okay, and the label of this button will be PDF. And look at this. This it will show a happy face. This image IMSO, it will show a happy face. But I want to add my custom icon, right? So for that I have to go here. Just click on this and insert, go to icons, and you must have an icon file, ICO file. You need an ICO file. So this file I don't need. You need an icon file. Just click on icons and you can select any ICO file. Extension should be ICO. So if there is an ICO, BMP and everything, it will show. Otherwise you can select anything others, it will not show like this way. If I'm selecting this one, let it be a large. If I select like this PNG file, it will not show. Just click on this, well found. Now save it, and it will. First of all, you need to remove this MS code because this is a system generated. Now my icon file name is DM. I'm selecting it like this way, and well found. Yeah, it is okay. Then save it. Now open it again. Excel file. All the tab has been gone because I have made true, and this file is showing like this way, right? But it is not working because I have not assigned any macros to this file. So number one, I need to assign a macro into this file. So the macro should be, the name of the macro file should be here, right? So my macro file is generate macro name, macro file, macro function name. So generate PDF. I'm making it. This icon I don't like, so I'm just removing it and replacing it with other icon. Good icon is like this one. So I'm putting it and I change the name of file and I just make it, copy this and check the well formed it. Yes, it is well formed. I have made it true. Save it, and before that I have to generate the callbacks. If I want to link this, I have to generate this callback. Just copy this callback. Just copy this callback and open the PDF file. So look at this, all has been gone. So no tab is there. Then you have to use Alt F11 to go inside this one and just press Ctrl R to show the Ctrl R will show you the this. You have to paste the callbacks function in module only. So it is very important that you have the basic video generator macro code. It should be in module, not in the sheet. In the sheet it will not work. So I have to link this PDF to this one. So for that I have to go and select this one. I just paste it here. That's all. Okay. Save it, close it, and close. The tab is up again. And now open it again. Now look at this. There is no tab, only tab is available here. This is a PDF file. This is a PDF file here. When you click on this PDF file, it will give you a macro. It will start the macro because I have linked this macro to this. When you click on this, now my box is available. If I select letter, okay, it will start generating a PDF file. But before that, it will generate a folder first. Now a folder has come up and started making PDFs in it, saving a PDF file into the folder. Right? Look at this. I have made some like, see, it is not a add-in, because the file extension is XLSB. It is not an add-in. Add-in should be XLSA or XLA. That is not add-in. So once it is completed, it will open for you using a shell function. Look at this. So it's a perfectly independent function. That means you can send this function, this file to any PC. That all the tabs will be gone up, and the only tab will be available that you can use it for generating a PDF file. That's all. Right. So this portion is called tabs, and this portion is called backstage. So there is a function you can use to hide this backstage function tabs also. So I will tell you that one also in this video. So just wait for a minute. So come to the point. I have taught you that how to use the schema to design your Excel file. Okay, so just open it. I tell you that I have hide all the tabs, and I have add a custom tab is on there and assigned a macro to that tab from the callback function from this way. So if you just open it, you will get this callback is there. callback function is not there. So you need to generate a callback. Okay, click on this, copy and paste in the module. Go to the module and just paste it here. Okay, and now you have to assign a PDF function in here. This macro is local macro, you can say. It is an Excel module. And remember, if you are adding a macro to a ribbon, Excel ribbon, that it is very important that you have to keep the macro in the module, not in sheet. You have to keep the module in this. Then only it will work. Just save it. But I have created like this way, and you will click and it will give you the file. And when you click it, it gives you this one and close it. But there is a backstage function. I would like to disable all these things also, right? So for that, I have disabled all the tabs. Now I would like to disable all the backstage icons along with all the tabs. So nobody can do anything with this Excel file. Just click on this and just do it for only for this purpose. You can use this one. So I just close this function and go to my custom UI XML, and I would like to add a backstage. So if I want to add a backstage, you just want to first of all you have to write here. You just go cut, just open the notepad, paste it here, then go back to here and then go to the XML and use this repurpose. No, it is not working. Custom outer space, just please no, and yeah, it is a backstage. Backstage is there. So remove this function, these things from this place, and these things. I will use this backstage, but before that I have to add my function ribbon to ribbon. So cut, paste here. Sorry. So this is my ribbon. Ribbon. This is for ribbon. Remember, backstage should be below the ribbon, otherwise it will give you the error. Okay, now I have to write XML for the tabs. Okay, so I have made some next. For that, I created the backstage. Just copy and paste it here. This is for disable the file saving. This is disable the save as file. This will disable the file opening tab. This will close the file. This will display the dialog box. This file exists. Everything will be disabled because the ID is a MSO IDs. For custom, you can use normal IDs like this one, but this MSO word, you can download the MSO IDs of the buttons. Every button has some ID. What I mean is, I mean to say that means excuse me. I mean to say, if you are generating a custom button, you can generate an ID. But if a system generated, that means it will come along with an Excel file. There should be ID MSO. Every button in the Excel file has an ID MSO. And the list of this ID MSO you can download from the internet. It is very easy. So you can download, right, just like download ID MSO Excel, and here we go, download this ID MSOs. look at this. This is a download IMC. Correct. So you can download it. Okay. So this is a Backstage IDMS tool for file saving, open, close, application, file exit, history, share documents, tag info, files, and everything is there. So now I have just save it. As to that, I have to check custom way XML ways platform, not platform. This is for Backstage and this is for Ribbon. So I just save it, right? Save it and close it. Okay, so just close this Excel file and just remove it. Now open this PDF generator. It will disable all the tab menu along with Backstage menus. So just check this. PDF generator is only there and file is not there. Nothing is there. It is purely a this one. Just when I click on this, there are not any macro is there. Let's close it. First of all, you just want to assign a macro and just open it first. Just go and select all files, PDF generator, XLSB, and this is on action. Generate PDF is there, right? And this is a convex copy, and just open the convex. It is right. Okay, so press Alt F11 and select the module and select this is a callback. You have to assign a callback here and just write down PDF, in a small letter PDF, and save it. Save it, save it, save it, save it. Now I have linked the macro to this one and there is no Backstage option there. PDF is okay. Now just save and close it. When you close that particular file, all the tabs will come up, right? But the status bar is not come up. Just go to formula bar and this one, it will also come up. Okay. So, but when you close this and open, anybody will open this PDF generator. All the menus gone, the Backstage gone, and it will generate only a PDF. Right, so when you click on this PDF generator, click on this, it will generate a PDF file. And my function is working still and just making PDF files there. Right, this is my Excel file. It will open for you because I have used this shell command. This shell command, this shell command, this shell command. Okay, when I click PDF and cancel it, it will give me a message box and close it. Nothing will happen because when I cancelled, the length will be 0 because the file name is not selected. File name is 0, then length is 0, length is 0, then it will not true. Let's come to the else to this should give me the message bar and go to the D label. D label is defined as exit server. So it will exit the macro code, VBA code. So That is what we have generated, and it is a callback from schema of this file. Right? It is very necessary that you have put this schema along with this macro in the module only. Otherwise, it will not work. Okay. So, from my point, I'm just closing this video from this way. So, that's all from my end. See you in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye. Okay, I just forgot to tell you one thing. So I'm just making this a short video about this Excel. I have done this all the tabs disabled, backstage disabled, but I forgot to disable this function. Like which one? This function bar, status bar, and all thing. For that, you just do one more thing. F11. Press F11 and go to this workbook. Okay. When you go to this workbook, you will see you have to disable the ribbon. That you just disable the ribbon. This is the entire ribbon file menu. This is the ribbon, green color, all the green color ribbon. So I'm just going to disable it. For that, just go to this workbook of PD generator. Go to select this workbook, and this should be open. So just run when it will open. When it will open, this function will run. So what you will want to run? Go to application, select this, execute as a macro 4.0, then select show now. Just put it show dot toolbar. This is a special function. You can use it and you can record it whatever you use, and this is so again, like ribbon. Okay, this is true. Showing is true, or if you would like to make it as a hide, so make it as a false. FALSE false. Okay, this will hide all the ribbon. Now application again, select the application, then go to display formula bar. Display formula bar is this one, and you go to false. Then application again, go to display status bar. Display go to false. So this function will hide entire things along with this PDF generator also. This will also go. Okay, so just remember that this function will be also gone. So just close, because this function will run, this macro will run when the file will open. I am just putting it here, file will open. When the file will open, this macro will run automatically. So just close and rerun. Just close and this one, open it. And see what will happen. Everything is gone. Nothing. It is purely an Excel file. You can use it. That's all. You cannot assign anything to this. Right. So, if you want, you can assign a PDF macro to this file. Just go to select this one, open it, right, run it. So just paste it, and where is link? I would say link. I think link will work or not work, I don't know. Let's say it's a PDF. It will work. it will not work. Okay. Sheet. I don't think this will, by this way it will work. So first of all you have to go back and press Ctrl 11, go to this sheet, copy and paste to sheet 1 or wherever you want. Just paste it here also, and you can just paste it here also. Make it all the things true. Or you can do one more thing. Just true. You can select all things here. Select, press Ctrl X. Just go to Ctrl G and question mark, press it, enter. So everything will be, this should be here. Hide, simple, run it, and everything should be here. Function button, generator is here, right? Okay. Then I have to assign a macro. The custom ribbon is also disabled. The only tab is there, so you need to do one more thing. Save it, close it, go to custom, open it, PDF inverter, cut and paste to notepad, right? Just save it, now open it again. Obviously, let's say, because this function is automatically run, right? So for that I have to go back to sheet 1 and run this function to hide all the things. Now all the value will be here. Now insert a picture. You just take a picture from this place or whatever you like. Camera roll, this, and download company icon. There we go. So okay, if you want to assign a macro to this file, go to this place, assign a macro. I'm using PDF. All open workbook or this workbook. I will say this workbook. Assign it. Okay, done. This will go working perfectly. Right? Save it. Okay. Close it. Go to schema. That's Ctrl X and paste it as there is back. Activate it. Click here, well phone. Save it. Close this. Now open it. You can use that picture. There is no picture. insert. There is no picture now. Here you are doing uh, we are running a macro using a hyperlink. So it is possible to run a macro using a hyperlink. That is what we are doing right now. So just wait for it. First of all, we have to capture the cell reference. There is cell reference is F9. The F9 we have captured F9. Now save it. Then this is a actually we have remove all the tabs and backstages, everything we have removed. So the only possible way to run a macro is hyperlink. So we have opened the control K and place in this document, click on that sheet 1 because we have write the hyperlink in the sheet 1. So select sheet 1 and select sheet 1 and now F9. So just here you need to have F9, then OK. When you click on this it will not run, but we have to make some arrangement uh, in a VBA window. So press Alt F11 to come up in that video. You can right click on the sheet 1 and view codes. So you go directly to the sheet 1 coding. So we are having some events on sheet 1. So first of all we need to sheet work, and now we have to select the event is follow hyperlink, right? So when hyperlink has been clicked, this function will be run. So the which function we would like to run, we would like to run a PDF, this one. Okay, this one we need to run. So we have to copy this PDF and paste it here, PDF, that's all. This parenthesis we don't need, the parenthesis, and just minimize it, remove it. Now click on this. When you click on this, see we are running in a macro, so you can write directly through this way, right? So when you click on this you will get the macro, you will get that macro is running. Cancelling, so window will appear. Again I click, again I cancelling, window will appear. So that is what we are telling, that yes, it is possible to run a macro from hyperlink, right? So that is what we have done here in sheet 1. If you want to put the macro in sheet 2, that is again you have to write you have to create a hyperlink in this folder, sheet 2, and create a hyperlink, place in this folder, select sheet 1, not sheet 1, this should be sheet 2, this should be sheet 2, right? And what we have, the cell reference is F9 again, I think, yes, it is F9, and right here F9, press OK, but it will not run. Why? Yeah, it is hyperlink, but it is in a sheet 1. This hyperlink is this code is in sheet 1 event, so it will not work in sheet 2. So what we have to do, then we have to I'm just reassigning the hyperlink F9. this will not work on the sheet 1, so I have to go. If I remove that one, it is also not working, so I have to go to sheet 2. I have to go to sheet 2, and now I have to make an event of follow hyperlink here. So that means you have to have separate events for a separate sheet. If you are running a hyperlink in the sheet 2, then you have to make an event in a sheet 2. Otherwise, if you are making the hyperlink in a sheet 1, then you have to make the event in a sheet 1. So be remember for this. Just keep it in your mind. And now you can run a VBA code from Excel hyperlink. That is from hyperlink in Excel sheet, right? So it is possible. You have to hyperlink same cells reference where hyperlink is showing. Okay, that's all for my end.